Hello and welcome back to the Dividend Dynamos channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in the AI industry that's turning heads in the financial world. DeepSeek's latest AI breakthrough is shaking things up, and many investors are wondering what this means for major players like Palantir Technologies. Is this a threat or a huge opportunity? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand why Palantir might actually be the big winner in this AI revolution. Before we get started, please note that I am not a financial planner, advisor, or certified expert in finance and investing. The information and opinions I share are for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. What is DeepSeek and why does it matter? Before we get into Palantir, let's talk about what DeepSeek is doing and why it's making waves. DeepSeek has recently unveiled a cutting-edge AI model that is not only powerful, but also significantly more cost-efficient than many of its predecessors. AI models like this are becoming more affordable, meaning that smaller companies, startups, and even governments can start leveraging AI in ways that were previously out of reach. This is important because traditionally, developing and running advanced AI models required massive computing power and resources, often limiting the market to big tech firms with deep pockets. But with DeepSeek's advancements, the cost of entry is going down, opening the doors for more widespread adoption. How does this affect Palantir? Now, some investors might look at this and think, more competition for AI leaders like Palantir. But that's not necessarily the case. In fact, this shift in AI accessibility could be a huge boost for Palantir. Here's why. Palantir isn't just an AI company. It's a company that specializes in making AI work in real-world high-stakes environments. They don't just build models. They integrate them into government operations, corporate workflows, and high-security industries where reliability, security, and interpretability are key. AI on its own is powerful, but AI without proper implementation is like a race car without a driver. And Palantir? They're the world-class drivers of AI integration. With AI models becoming more of a commodity, the real value lies in the platforms that can actually implement these models effectively. This is where Palantir shines. Their Foundry and Gotham platforms don't just analyze data. They turn it into actionable intelligence that organizations can actually use to make decisions, whether it's in defense, finance, healthcare, or logistics. So how does the financial picture look? Well, let's talk numbers, because at the end of the day, what really matters to investors is the financial outlook. Palantir's Q4 2024 revenue is projected to be between $767 million and $771 million, with an adjusted operating income expected between $298 million and $302 million. These are impressive figures, showing steady and significant growth. But it gets even better. What about their revenue and growth? Palantir has been experiencing strong momentum, especially in the U.S. government sector, where revenue grew 40% year over year. With increased adoption of AI, these numbers are expected to climb even higher. The company's commercial sector is also expanding, with more businesses realizing that they need sophisticated AI integration to stay competitive. AI as a commodity is why Palantir's role becomes even more crucial. Here's the big picture. As AI models become cheaper and more widespread, companies will need secure, reliable platforms to actually deploy these models effectively. This is where Palantir dominates the field. Think of AI models as raw materials. They're incredibly valuable, but without the right manufacturing process, they don't become useful products. Palantir is that manufacturing process, turning raw AI capabilities into fully functional, mission-critical applications. For example, let's say a government agency wants to use AI to improve national security. They could use a model from OpenAI, Google, or DeepSeek, but they would still need Palantir's Gotham platform to securely integrate that AI into their infrastructure, ensuring it operates effectively within their existing systems while maintaining data integrity and security. How is investor sentiment? And what's the price target for Palantir? So what do analysts think? Well, despite the market fluctuations, the long-term outlook for Palantir remains strongly bullish. In fact, some analysts have set a price target of $90 for Q1 2025, which represents a significant upside from its current levels. Why so much confidence? Because Palantir's fundamentals are incredibly solid, and it's positioned as a must-have platform in a rapidly expanding AI landscape. Not only that, but technical indicators also show bullish momentum. Palantir's ability to win long-term government contracts, combined with its expanding commercial footprint, gives it a unique stability that many pure-play AI firms lack. So let's wrap it up. DeepSeek's new AI model is exciting, and it represents the broader trend of AI becoming more accessible. But instead of seeing this as a threat to Palantir, we should see it as an opportunity. As more companies and government agencies adopt AI, the demand for secure, scalable AI integration will only increase, and that's where Palantir thrives. Now, if you're an investor, this brings us to an important question. Is Palantir a strong buy right now? Well, let's look at the case for why it might be a smart investment. Here's why Palantir could be a strong buy right now. It's their dominance in AI integration. While AI models are becoming cheaper and more common, companies still need Palantir's secure platforms to integrate AI into mission-critical applications. This makes Palantir an essential player in the AI economy, not just a competitor in the AI race. They boast explosive growth in government and commercial sectors. Palantir's 40% year-over-year growth in U.S. government revenue shows how deeply embedded it is in high-security, long-term contracts. Meanwhile, its commercial segment is also expanding as more businesses recognize the need for sophisticated AI integration. Palantir has strong financials and big profitability trajectory. With Q4 2024 revenues expected between $767 million and $771 million, and adjusted operating income around $298 million to $302 million, Palantir is proving it can grow while maintaining solid profitability. This makes it one of the more stable AI-driven companies in the stock market. There's also bullish technical indicators and analyst price targets. Analysts are bullish on Palantir, with some setting a price target of $90 by the end of Q1 2025, signaling significant upside potential. If Palantir continues its current growth trajectory, investors getting in now could see strong long-term gains. They have first-mover advantage in AI for defense and national security. While many AI companies focus on consumer or enterprise solutions, Palantir dominates in high-security industries like defense, intelligence, and government infrastructure. This gives it a unique advantage that many competitors simply can't replicate. And now here's some final thoughts for investors. If you believe in the long-term potential of AI, but want exposure to a company that builds real-world solutions rather than just research-driven models, Palantir is worth serious consideration. It has government backing, a growing commercial presence, and the ability to turn AI into tangible results. Of course, like any stock, Palantir isn't without risks. Market volatility, competition, and execution challenges always play a role. But with its strong fundamentals and increasing relevance in AI integration, Palantir is shaping up to be a powerful investment for the AI-driven future. What do you think? Is Palantir a strong buy in this AI-driven market? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update on AI and the stock market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.